This video clip will discuss the impacts of turbidity on pesticide performance. Viewers should have an adequate understanding of how to determine if they have a turbidity issue and how to mitigate this concern. Applicators at times may use water that is less than ideal. Surface water or wells low on groundwater may be saturated with organic material and silt. An applicator selecting these water sources is at risk of turbidity. Turbidity refers to silt and organic matter suspended in water. This is expressed as the total suspended solids, or TSS. Waters with a high TSS will appear as dirty or murky to an applicator. TSS is often measured in nephelometric units. Applicators using dirty water will often initiate spraying with few concerns. They may often be unaware of any nozzle dysfunctions until it is too late. Suspended solids in dirty water will often plug screens and nozzles, causing an uneven spray pattern that you see here. This uneven spray pattern often costs the applicator valuable time replacing nozzles and screens throughout the application. Applicators using extremely dirty water can count on a non-uniform spray pattern regardless of nozzle and/or screen type used. Although inline filters may be beneficial, applicators should be aware of other concerns that are not readily visible. Suspended solids in dirty water also bind with many pesticide active ingredients. This often renders a pesticide inert while in the spray tank. Pesticides with a high KOC, or coefficient of sorption, bind readily with suspended solids. Some examples of pesticides with a high KOC are glyphosate, diquat, paraquat, permethrin, and bifenthrin. Nephelometric meters will give an applicator a precise estimate of turbidity. However, an easy way applicators can test the turbidity of their water is by using a 5-gallon bucket and a quarter. The first step is to fill a 5-gallon bucket with water. By throwing a quarter into a filled bucket, an applicator can easily assess turbidity. This applicator can't see the quarter and knows immediately that he has a water quality issue. An applicator with dirty water should find an alternative source of clean water. By finding an alternative source of water, they will save time and money. Costs can accumulate from replacing nozzles, installing inline filters, or poor pesticide performance if a clean source of water isn't found. Applicators finding an alternative source of water should always test the turbidity of the water prior to use. The unobstructed view of the quarter at the bottom of this bucket is a sure sign that he is using a clean and acceptable water source. Always remember how to ensure a trouble-free pesticide application by taking time to assess the turbidity of water. By following a few simple steps, applicators can reduce headaches during the application and sleep well knowing their pesticide product is working effectively.